Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Good day everyone, especially to our teacher. My reflection about management function. Management have 4 basic tasks that help you run an organization smoothly. The first function of organization is planning. It means setting goals and figuring out how to achieve them. The second is organizing. It involves deciding who will do each task and tracking process. And the third is leading. It's about inspiring and motivating an employee to hard work. Lastly is code controlling. It means checking progress and making sure everything stays on track. We have 4 types of a manager. The first one is top level manager, or they call boss. They set the direction for a company and create a positive environment. And the second is middle manager. They make sure that the daily tasks are done according to the plans. And the third is first line manager, or oversees the worker who provides goods and provides services, focusing on their performance and training. And lastly, the team leader, to help their team work together to reach the goal to ensure the good performance. We have a type of a manager role. Managers have a different role to help their teams. We have an interpersonal role. It includes interacting with employees like a figurehead who represent and motivate the team, or a leader who builds loyalty. And also we have a liaison role. It involves connecting with people outside their area. And we have information role. It includes gathering data as a monitor, sharing it with the team and disseminator, and talking to the people outside the company as a spokesperson. And lastly, we have decisional roles. Manager use information to make choice. Manager tasks, fix problem, handling resources, and resolving issues. We have 3 management skills. These are technical skills. These are the specialized knowledge and techniques needed to do specific tasks and get the job done. Second is human skills. This involves working well than others and having good communication abilities. And the last one is conceptual skills. It helps the manager to understand the complicated situation and comes up with creative solution. Manager commonly have 10 mistakes. These are being insensitive. This means ignoring employees' feeling, which create a negative work environment. Acting too cold or arrogant make it hard for the team member to connect with respect the manager. Betraying the trust, it means breaking promises or being dishonest to damage credibility. Also, when managers are too ambitious, it can hurt the team morale and focus on personal gain instead of team success. Ignoring specific performance problem and not being able to delegate the task or build a team can lead to ongoing issues. Failing to hire properly or adapt to a boss different style can cause conflict. Relying too much on a mentor can prevent a manager from growing. Finally, not being self-aware can stop a manager from fixing their own mistake, leading to more problems. Finally, not being self-aware can stop a manager from fixing their own mistake, leading to more problems. Management practice focus on improving the company performance and employees' satisfaction. Employees' security is allowed employees to be creative without fearing job loss. Selecting hiring means creative choosing the best candidates. Self-managed teams work independently and make their own decisions. High wage based on performance is giving the employee a reward for the company's success. The training and skills development is to help employees gain necessary skills. Reducting of status difference and ensure equal treatment for all. Sharing information to keep employee informed to be help them to do their job. Management has been around for a long time. In the past, people mostly work at home or in a farm in small groups, so there wasn't much need for boss or formal management. They didn't commute and there were no big office or a factory. But during the Industrial Revolution, work changed a lot. Jobs become more specialized with people doing the same tasks repeatedly. Because of this, companies need manager or organize and oversee the work, leading to the development of modern management practice. Scientific Management by Frederick Winslow Taylor is a method to make workers more efficient by finding the best way to do the task and also the training. Gilbert Motion Study done by Frank and Lillian Gilbert focus on making work better by looking at simplified the movement of people while working. They found ways to reduce extra action, which help workers to be more productive and less tired. Gantt charts are tools that use a timeline to show project tasks. They help you see when tasks begin, end, and overlap with each other.